Do you want to know how I save money on my own laundry detergent? For under $20, you can have a 6-month supply of your own DIY laundry detergent. Stay tuned.
Welcome to my channel, I am the natural one. You're watching DIY, saving money time.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One and this is another DIY saving money video. These are all the ingredients you need to make your own affordable laundry detergent for under $20. I bought all these ingredients from Walmart. The baking soda was actually in the food aisle, so the rest of it is in the laundry section, okay? You need your Borax, your washing soda, your baking soda, a trash bag, and your Zote soap, which is also in the laundry section, okay? I used 2 bars of Zote soap and I manually shredded myself using a manual food slicer. And you want to get the Zote or Zote, however you pronounce it. You want to get the Zote soap shredded up finely because once it's in the water, you want it to dissolve. Now, if you don't have that particular food shredder, I highly recommend it, but use a cheese grater or a potato peel to get this shredded thinly. You can also buy the Zote flakes, but that costs no money. But anyway, I cut the soap in half, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how easy and fast it was to grind down or shred the 2 bars of soap with ease. No problems, no hassle. It took me less than 10 minutes. You guys, I highly recommend this device or something similar. Work smarter, not harder. I'm telling you, it's going to save you a lot of heartache. But anyway, let's get into it. So open up your trash bag in no particular order. I'm going to pour in the baking soda. Now, the baking soda sometimes can be very clumpy, so make sure you break up all those clumps. Next, I'm gonna go in with the washing soda. Now, you guys, if you want to save more money, you know you can turn baking soda into washing soda. All you have to do is bake the baking soda and it's going to break down and it's going to turn into washing soda. So you guys, when I get the first 2 ingredients in, I like to mix them up together. I don't want to put everything in a bag then mix it up because it kind of makes it hard, and I feel like I be shaking, mixing and stirring the bag up for a long time. So I definitely recommend shake as you go. Keep in mind that I did most of my shaking off camera because it's much easier. So now I'm going to add the Borax and get the shaking again. Last but not least, we are going to add the shredded Zote soap into the mix and shake it up, mix it up very, very well. If you made it this far in the video, you guys, please consider subscribing. That really will help my channel. Once mixed very well, put it in a storage container and you are really done. Now, you guys, keep in mind that this is a highly concentrated laundry detergent, so you don't need a lot. This is too much for one load. This is all you need, and if you don't have a scooper like this, then 2 tablespoons should be enough. However, if you're anything like me, I'm heavy-handed with laundry detergent, so I do 2 of those scoops. Once again, you guys, if you finally shred your Zote soap, it will dissolve in cold or hot water. If you have bigger chunks, get a 1/2 cup of hot water, put the detergent in and let it dissolve, and once you see the Zote soap have dissolved, then you go ahead and put it in your washing machine if you're using cold water. You guys, the laundry detergent smells so good. It smells like that cereal Tricks with that little white rabbit on there. That's what it smells like to me. You guys, some people put scent boosters in this DIY batch. Do not do that. Save your money because that's what the rinse cycle is for. Put your scent boosters in your softener in that cycle. And if you want to save money on softener, use vinegar and add your scent boosters. Your clothes will not come out smelling like vinegar. Well, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, click here.